Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and today I have an unboxing video for you. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I was so excited when I received my Quirky kit that I wanted to share it with you. So as a member of the design team, Leo, who runs the kit, sends me a mixture really. So this month I got the main kit, some of the light kit, and some of the custom card kit. So first of all, she always sends one of these little leaflets with some sketches on for you to follow, some ideas. I'm going to show you what she sent me from the light kit. This isn't everything. If you wanted to know what was in the light kit in full, then do head over to craftytemplates.com. So first of all, in the light kit, from the light kit, she sent me 2 sheets of white and a sheet of black cardstock, which will get used. So first of all, there was this paper from Vicky Bootin, All the Good Things, and this is, the paper's called Good Vibes. And on the back, there's this green with sort of a swirly floral pattern. She also sent me the Vicky Bootin, All the Good Things social butterfly paper. I already know what's going to happen with this paper. These are going to be fussy cut, and they're going to be laid straight onto either the white or the black background. We'll see how my mood takes me on the day that I do this. And then on the reverse is this yellow floral pattern. And then the final paper she sent me from the light kit was from Craft from the Chase Rainbows collection, and this one is called Tinge, and this is the 3x4 cut apart sheet. You can't spell beautiful without BU. Yeah, so that's that side, but I absolutely love the reverse of this as well. So I'm going to fight with myself over what I'm going to do with this, because I love the pre-painted effect on here. So I'm not too sure which side I'm going to use. So also from the light kit, she sent me 5 of each for the light kit. So I know in the light kit this month, or this bi-monthly kit, you get an alpha, there's some labels in there, and there might be something else as well. Next up, she sent me a selection of the custom cards. I absolutely love the cards that she creates. To be honest, I've got a small stack of the ones I haven't used, but I do like to cut these apart and make ephemera out of them. So she sent me sort of half of the pack this time, which is more than enough for me to do my project life and my traveller's notebooks with. So these are the 4x6 ones she sent me. So Love You More Than All the Stars in the Sky, love that. And Memories and Photos, love that as well. And these are the 3x4s. And these are right up my street. I just love the custom cards that she does. So Rainbows on Roses and Whiskers on Kittens. I can't speak today. Card that says yes. This lovely little diamond, and this little heart one, a stripy one. Remember This Day, another diamond one, a stripy one. I love this. And They Lived Happily Ever After. Can't wait to use that. Arrows, Embrace Today, Live, Laugh, Love, Journaling Spot, lipsticks, mascaras and lip liner or eyeliner, selfie, current playlist, hearts, and then a Love This Moment card. I just love these custom cards. So you always get some cardstock in with your kit. It generally tends to be white, so we've got 3 whites and a black this month. And then the papers, I just love. This is a mixture of different collections, which I absolutely love from Quirky. So this is a Craft Finders Keepers collection, and this is called Snapshot. And then on the reverse, and look at the branding strip, these little roses. On the reverse are card suits. Next up, look at this paper. I don't even think I want to do anything with it. I'm going to struggle to even... I don't want to cut into it. This is from the Pink Fresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide. This one's called Caper. All these hearts. And I love the Pink Fresh Studio paper because it's so thick. And that is the B-side of the Caper paper. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. And on to this one. This is also from Pink Fresh Studio. This one's called Impulse from the Let Your Heart Decide collection. I just love these florals. Very muted, very soft again, really thick paper quality. And then on the reverse, I don't know if you're going to see this very well, but there's this like geometric design in a yellow mustardy yellow colour. Next up, one of my favourite collections that have come out is the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up. This is paper number 13. And again, if you've watched my channel before, you're going to know that these are all going to be fussy cut. There's no way this is going to be used as one page. And then on the reverse is this green with leaves pattern. Next up is another one from Craft, Finders Keepers collection, and this one is called Medley. And these have got some bigger cut apart. Brilliant nonetheless. So we've got Be Lovely, Stay Humble, Work Hard, Be Kind, Do What You Love What You Do, Enjoy the Little Things, and Choose Happiness. And then the B side to that, which I also love, is this this bold one on Craft that says throw kindness around like confetti, and it's already got some confetti dots, and Leo did a fabulous job giving an example layout of how she punched out some confetti and added to it. So I might have to scrap lift that idea from her. So next on to this one, these are all from the Echo Park I'd Rather Be Crafting by Laurie Whitlock. So this one is called Just My Type. So we have these typewriters on this side, which are super adorable. And then on the back we have this this type font, which again, I'm going to fight with myself. I might have to use half and half of that page. This one here is called 4x4 journaling cards. I wonder why that is. And I just love these sentiments. Craft supplies are a girl's best friend. True story. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. True story. The answer is crafting. I don't care what the question is. So I love these. I'm probably going to, rather than use these on layouts, I actually want to cut them out and use them in my my planner, my traveller's notebooks, because I just love them. So I want to get to look at them more often than just putting them on a layout. Oh, and the reverse of it is also this really super cute mustardy yellow colour with white crosses. And then the final paper is this is called Supply List, and the reverse is also really nice. It's sort of a red with grid. That's not making your eyes too trippy. And then on this side you have oh, just look at it, you have scissors, paintbrush, fountain pen, pencil and ruler. Now what I can see myself doing with this is creating maybe an off the page project, so popping this into a 12x12 frame with some sort of decoration, so I can I might make something with ScrappyNerdUK on, I don't know, and pop it up in my room. So I feel that that's going to come with an off the page project, that one. So on to the embellishments. So first of all, we received this 12x12 sticker sheet from Craft from the Finders Keepers collection, and this is gorgeous. We've got this huge floral sticker, which I actually, I've already peeled it up a couple of times because I just can't wait to use it. So I love these stickers. Next we got some leaf ribbon, and there's a meter of this. Then we also got 2 of the frames from, I think these are from Pink Fresh Studio, from the, is it called Let Your Heart Decide? Yeah. So we also got these wood veneer from Craft, and these are from the BU collection. And I'm gonna lay these flat, and then you can actually see them better. Here we are. And I just love these. I can't turn my hand anymore. So we've got Dream Big, Love, You Are Loved, You Got This, Love This, and a little frame. So I love those. So I love the fact, like I said, in this kit you get loads of different embellishments to use. We've also got this acrylic word that says love. I'm gutted I only have one of those to use. Next up are the chipboard accents from the I'd Rather Be Crafting collection. And then finally, we're spoilt this month because we've actually got 2 alphabets. So we have this one, the Puffy Alpha stickers in grey from Pink Fresh Studio, and just love these. These are going to be so versatile for us to use in the kits. And then finally she also popped these in. These are from Fancy Pants Designs from the Joy Parade collection, I think. And these are awesome. Look at these. I just love the font on these. These are brilliant. So yeah, absolutely tons of embellishments and paper and cardstock. You get the doodah, the little leaflet to help you with inspiration, and I literally cannot wait to get started on this kit. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done one. If you haven't caught up on the Washi Wednesday videos, I'm seem to get a lot of you giving me some really positive feedback on those, so thank you very much. Do keep watching. Make sure you hit that bell, so when I post a video, if you hit the bell, it'll actually send you a little push message that tells you I've posted a new video, so you don't miss out on it. So yeah, if you haven't already done so, hit that bell button. I love you forever, and I'll see you all very shortly for my next video. Bye bye, guys.